Hi everyone! Merry Christmas everyone in advance. Welcome again to my channel, Math is Fun channel. Again, this channel is an educational channel to help you understand your lessons in mathematics. This is also intended to those who are doing the online classes out there and those who are answering their modules. This will help you understand and build the concept about your lesson in mathematics. This will help you improve your performance in mathematics, and this will eradicate the wrong perspective that math is a difficult subject, but it's not really a difficult subject, but it's easy, fun, and interesting. So are you ready for our video discussion for today? Yes, I know you are ready, and I hope you're going to subscribe my channel. If you are not yet subscribing my channel, please do subscribe it and share this one to your friends so that you can also help them improve their performance in mathematics. So now we will continue with our discussion for today's video discussion. So we have it here, the importance of mathematics. So what is the importance of mathematics? So the importance of mathematics in life. So I will be showing the importance of mathematics in our day-to-day life. I know you have your own experiences about the importance of mathematics for your own life based on what you have experienced in your day-to-day living. So we have it, the restaurant tipping. So this is one of the application of mathematics or importance of mathematics in other fields. In restaurant, of course, you involve money there. Next is the Netflix film viewing. So it requires seconds, the time, which involves math. And of course, calculating bills. The bills are involved in math. The word itself, calculation or calculating. So these are importance of mathematics in life. Another thing also very common to us, computing test scores, your grades and all, etc. So these are some examples of the importance of mathematics in our day-to-day life. Next is tracking career. So how will you track? So it involves number. So that's part of the importance of mathematics in life. Doing exercise, you're counting, correct? So the routines itself. So that is part of the importance of mathematics in life. And another thing, handling money, no comment for that. Very obvious that it's one of the importance of mathematics in life. Making countdowns, you're counting, there is a pattern. So part of the importance of mathematics in life. And baking and cooking. So this is very, I can relate. I love cooking and baking. So you know what? You are going to measure. There are measurements in here. So yes, most probably you are really doing the math or the concept of mathematics. So that is very visible, the importance of mathematics in baking and in cooking. Another thing also, of course, in surfing the internet. So of course, surfing involves Mbps or connection. So with that, you are of course you are showing the importance of mathematics in life. There is a pattern in it. Okay. So these are the importance or some basic importance of mathematics in life in other fields of our day-to-day living. So you can, again, as what I have said, you can recite what are the importance of mathematics in your life. It depends upon our own experiences of where we applied mathematics in our life. So another thing also that we mentioned before, the nature of mathematics, it involves patterns and regularities. So patterns and relationships, mathematics is the science of patterns and relationships. So the one of the nature of mathematics are or can be seen in their patterns and relationships. Another thing also in mathematics, science, and technology, mathematics, we all know mathematics is abstract and its function goes along with science and technology. So that's part of the nature of mathematics. It will lead to science and technology because of its abstract form to make it more concrete so that we can experience it not in abstract way. It will lead to science and technology. So another nature of mathematics is the mathematical inquiry. So mathematics expresses ideas or solve problems. With the mathematical inquiry, or one of its nature for mathematics is to solve problems and to express ideas. Correct? So another thing also, abstraction and symbolic representation. One that we can relate in the topic, or yeah, in mathematics that we experienced before. It always, or it has a lot of abstract way or methods or steps in solving a problem, and even it uses different symbolic representations like your x, like your y, like your z, so on and so forth, the variables, the symbols for the operations. So these are one of the natures of mathematics. So abstractions are made not only from concrete objects or processes. That's why we use symbolic representation so that we can understand the abstract concept of math. Another thing also, one of its nature is manipulating mathematical statements. And lastly, the application. Mathematical processes can lead to a kind of model of a thing. As what I have said, one of its nature is to solve problems. And you can only solve problems applying mathematical concepts by applying its concept. If you understand a lot of things about its concept, then it will be easier for you to apply it in your day-to-day living. So these are the nature of mathematics that I want you to remember, the basic nature of it. So next is the role of mathematics in some disciplines. We all know that there are a lot of disciplines or areas in life, especially in the branches of sciences or mathematics. So what's the role of mathematics in some disciplines? Do you believe that math can be applied in any areas of your life? I do agree in that, with that statement, because it's really true that math can be applied in our day-to-day life or in every areas of our life. Okay, so mathematics and physical science. Mathematics gives final shape to the rules of physics. So that's its role in other discipline or in physical science. So we involve shapes there, shape rather. So meaning to say math can give us the model in physical science, the final shape to the rules of physics. Another thing also, mathematics and chemistry, of course, the quantum, think about statistical mechanics, computations, chemical bindings or formula. So these are concepts of mathematics. So mathematics is also a language of chemistry. Okay? So another thing also, the role of mathematics in other disciplines. In biological sciences, mathematical genetic, ecology, and neuron. There is a pattern in biology or in ecology rather. So biological sciences, so that's the role of mathematics in there. Next is mathematics in engineering and technology. Very obvious. Mathematics is the foundation of engineering. You can even apply all areas of mathematics in the field of engineering because the basic form of structure, or yeah, formulating a structure or a model or what, building a house or anything about engineering, it's all, or it uses all the concept of math. You always do the math there. And of course, mathematics and agriculture. Where can we apply mathematics in agriculture, or what's the role of mathematics in agriculture? Always remember there is a land area where you plant your crops and plants, correct? So you need to, there is a measurement. So measurement is very accurate. Or what I mean is very important role, or it plays an important role in agriculture. So we all know that measurement is part of mathematics. So average of investment and expenditure. So these are the roles of mathematics in agriculture. Another is for economics, of course, the game theory, the percentage of supply and demand, how many supply that you're going to have, the percentage. So these are the roles of mathematics in economics. And another thing, psychology. We all know that psychology has has experiments rather, and it uses statistical analysis. Another example is IQ test. Of course, you are measuring the IQ of a person, of a human being. So that is, or you are using mathematics to measure them. Okay, so that's the role of mathematics in psychology. Another thing also for actuarial science, insurance and finance, statistics is used to make financial sense of the future. In actuarial science, insurance and finance, so this is the role of mathematics in that discipline. So another discipline is archaeology. It uses statistical techniques for data gathering or survey. So that's the role of math in archaeology. And for logic, the role of mathematics to develop is the development and formulation of logic laws. So that's it. Mathematics and music, of course, it involves patterns and formulas. So that is the role of mathematics in music. And of course, as you can see, um, mathematics, the role of mathematics in arts, of course, arts use say the usage of it uses figures and shapes, correct? So that's part of the role of mathematics in arts. Sorry for the inconvenience. There are a lot of souls outside. Yes, outside in this world, in our class that want us to disturb, rather disturb, or they want to join. Maybe they want to join our class. Okay, let's go over, continue. The next role of mathematics in other discipline is in philosophy. Mathematics occupies a central place between natural philosophy and mental philosophy. So another other role of mathematics in social networks, we know that in social networks we have to graph, or the concept of graph theory and text analysis. So it involves mathematics. For political science, it analyzes past elections results, the average and all. So it involves mathematics. For linguistics, concepts of structure and transformation. So transformation is part of mathematics. Management, mathematical models for management problems. And for computers, of course, computers uses patterns and formulas, so it involves math. And of course, for geography, it uses scientific and mathematical description of our Earth. How big is our Earth, correct? The percentage, the number, so it involves mathematics. So that is the role of mathematics in geography. So a lot of things that we can really think about the importance and the role of mathematics in other disciplines. Okay, and taxes, okay, and taxation. You can also involve mathematics, so on and so forth. So now let's try to appreciate or appreciating mathematics as a human endeavor. So as I mentioned a while ago, some of the applications of mathematics, we can say that math is a very important concept that we really have to appreciate. Why? Because without math, we can't solve problems, because in solving problems, you have to consider and have to apply the concepts of mathematics. So it's really part of our life. So let's try to embrace it. Always remember, try to love math so that the math subject will try to love you too. It's about the mental problem that we have. As I have said in the introductory part of in the introduction that I have in this video discussion, that the essence of mathematics is not to make simple things complicated, but to make complicated things simple. So it's a matter of our human mind. Okay, so let's continue. Mathematics is appreciated as human endeavor because all professionals and ordinary people apply its theories and concepts in the office, laboratory, and marketplaces. So the following profession use mathematics in their scope and field of work. So we have it, the accountants, obviously. Accounting, the basic principle of accounting is something to do with mathematics. Agriculturalist, the area, the measurement of the land, of the crops that they're going to plant. Okay, the amount of water for the plant to grow. So so this is the importance of mathematics for the agriculturalist. So yeah, they can really appreciate in that area or in that field. Architects, the designs, of course, that's we use math for designing. Biologists, as I have said, the medicines and all, the part of the human body, the pattern itself, yes, the structure itself, that's part of math. Chemists, the formulas, the bindings, the chemical formulas, the chemical bindings of elements. So these are also part of mathematics. Computer programmers, they will appreciate mathematics by formulating some um, websites, even to hack. Just joking. So formulas and patterns. Engineers building a building, a road, so on and so forth. They even use mathematics in that field of their, yeah, in their areas, in that areas rather. Lawyers predict probabilities, predictions. That's part of it. Managers, how to manage, correct? Managerial strategy. Of course, you need a model. Mathematics will give them a model so that they can easily identify or manage their constituents or members or the company that they have. medical doctors, of course, the amount of medicines or chemicals that they have to put in the medicines or vaccines. So that's it. That's part of mathematics. So mathematics is very helpful in the field of medical doctors. Meteorologists, of course, trying to predict something, probabilities. Military personnel, of course, the patterns itself, the counting and all, counting principles. The nurses, politicians, salespeople, technicians, and tradesmen. So these are yeah, the recipient of the importance of mathematics as a human endeavor. As I have said a while ago, we already experienced the importance of mathematics. We just did not recognize it. So try to open your mind about the importance of mathematics in our life. Then you will appreciate that math is everywhere. It's more than a number. It's application. Math is life. So thank you so much for listening. We'll end our discussion in here and I hope you have learned something. And after this discussion, I am really anticipating that all of you have realized the importance of mathematics in life. This is not just a subject, this is life. Okay, so thank you for listening. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and of course to continue supporting my videos, watch it and study it so that you will have a productive life in the midst of pandemic. And of course, Christmas is approaching, so I hope everybody will celebrate Christmas in a very nice way. Though we are embracing the new normal, but still the essence of Christmas is also like the essence of mathematics. It's already in our heart, in our life. Thank you and have a good day.